So today's little task, I've got Brian's car, just been to pick it up, left mine up there, drove this back. As most of you are aware, you had a problem with the power steering. Intermittently a light comes on, it's basically a torque sensor inside the steering gubbins there. So we've got a second hand one here, which I'm about to change. Just got to basically take the cover off there, take the steering wheel off, plastics, ignition, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, take the whole thing off, swap everything over, put it back, and then put everything back together. Pretty much as simple as that. So see how long it takes. Dilly. So first thing, disconnect battery. Second thing, well, let's remove airbag. Two holes in the side, in there. Just push a screwdriver in. Basically pushes in on this tab here, either side. Releases said airbag. Pop up the clips here, pull them off. You've got the one for the horn there as well. Connects into there. So once you've got that off, again on here, there's no marking on here, I don't think. No. So I'm just going to punch, make a punch mark now on here and on here, just so when I put the steering wheel back on, it aligns back up. In fact, won't be on here. I've got to take this bolt out first, so take that out first, and then I'll see if there's anything lined up. Okay, once you've removed the steering wheel, you obviously need to disconnect the horn connector there. From there, pull the steering wheel off, undo two screws there, a torque screw underneath in the middle, T20 I think it is, just get one that fits, and then we'll remove this plastic now, and then take this cover off here, disconnect some electrical connections in there, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, with the casing removed, you can see there's a connection at the back here, goes into the squib. Just pull the red tab, disconnect the connection. We can take the connection out from the side for the steering column, or for the ignition, sorry. Try to do this with one hand. Red tab on there, blue tab, put that back in. Leave it up there for now. Then we need to remove the this is basically what the chip in the key reads for the immobiliser. So we need to remove that. There we go. Okay, so that's all the cables disconnected. So as I say, now I can go into this cover, and then we can find out how to remove the whole of the steering column. Okay, so plastic cover removed. There's just two torque screws, one either side. That allowed that to come out. Disconnect the electrical connection. And then we have two connections here, which go into the column. So one there, one there. I've removed one already. Just pull the yellow tab down, and that'll allow you to release it. I'm just about to disconnect this one. He says, as he tries and tries with one hand. Okay, no, I'm going to need two hands, but you get the idea. Once I do that, then it's a case of, it looks like we've got a bolt here, on the other side, and I think, I think that is it. We shall see. Okay, so once you undo the two bolts there, the whole that part just slides off. Easy enough, just slides into that spline part there. And then you're left with this part to take off, which is the main part, which holds the motor with the torque sensor in, which has failed, or keeps failing because it's intermittent. The most awkward part of this whole thing at the moment is just two bolts that are down the bottom here, which I've got my Can't see because I haven't got the torch on. See if I can get it on. There we go. Yeah, so there's a bolt down here, and there's one just there as well. I've undone that one so far, just one on the other side, so a little bit awkward, but getting there. Right, the plot thickens, so I've undone the 2 bolts, and now it's held on by a U-J, and there's this part here clamped on, so I just need to undo that, and then this part will slide out then. Happy days. Right, it's out. So that was awkward, that, like. So that's where it fits into. Here's the bolt that holds it in, and that has to come fully out. If you only leave it so far in, it'd be near good, because it goes into that groove there. So you've got to take it fully out to get this out. So there's the old one. Here's our replacement. Yeah, so basically just got to slide this off. Yeah, just do away with that, and then put that one on once I've got this in place. So put this new one on, put this in the car now so I don't fit the wrong one. Yeah, be good if you ended up there replacing the one you've just took off. So that's it, that's now scrap. Right, I'll start putting it back together. Dilly dills. Ooh, bit of spanner rash. Nice. Right, it is all back together. Just reconnected the battery. Bright. I've checked your oil, that was good. Coolant needed a little bit, topped that up, and I've topped your screen wash up, because I know you all last snaffled the last of yours. So hopefully we'll fire this up and all's good. Well, happy days. Need fault codes? Get in. That flashing light's just the seatbelt light because I haven't got it on. Hey! Right. Time will tell, but it's all back together and fixed. Dilly dilly.